What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie and I'm back with another detailed video, a detailed product review for you guys, a wheel cleaner. So in today's video we got a product called Sonax wheel cleaner straight from Germany, and this product was actually pretty hard to get. I had to wait for Amazon to deliver, and because of COVID-19 deliveries are a little bit delayed. But let's talk about this product. You cannot buy it at the store. I went to Pep Boys, I went to Advanced Auto Parts, and at least in Southern California, they do not sell this wheel cleaner. Now, I heard a lot of good things about this wheel cleaner from my brother from another mother. He uses this for his Honda Accord, and he says this is a great product. So like I said, this product is made in Germany, and it's actually pretty pricey. For this small bottle right here, you paid $16 on, like I said, Amazon. If you try to buy a bigger bottle on different sites, like I think Walmart sells it, it's like 21 bucks. So I hear a lot of like good reviews about this product. It's safe to use on refurbished wheels, on wheels that are recoated, repainted, and that it really helps take out all of the dirt. So we have two examples. Right here we have the Toyota Camry wheel that's been dirty for been kind of off-roading this vehicle, so it has a lot of dirt. That was a joke. I haven't really off-roaded a Toyota Camry. But then right here we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee, also hasn't had a wash for quite a bit of time. So we're gonna try this product on both wheels and see how good it really works. Alright guys, so with the Jeep Grand Cherokee, one thing that's very important is that your wheel needs to be cool, and you do not do this in direct sunlight. So we're gonna apply this spray on the Jeep, and then we're gonna let it work its magic, which it should be around 2 to 3 minutes. You could keep it on a little bit longer if you want. So I'm gonna spray this really well, and then I'm gonna let it do its magic, and you're gonna see it's gonna change colors. And then I'm gonna do the same process on the Toyota Camry. So here we go with the Toyota Camry. We're gonna spray it evenly all around. Toyota Camry has like a glossy black with like a silver finish. So this car is filthy dirty, if you guys can see. So we're gonna let this do its magic, and we're gonna return back. Now look at the Jeep right now. If you look at the Jeep, it's all purple. I think it's about that time where we could actually give it a rinse. It hasn't been 3 minutes, but we're gonna give it a rinse anyways and see how much it removed. As you guys can see, about 90, I'll say probably 90%, 95% of all the brake dust and a lot of stuff that accumulated on this rim is fully gone. I don't even see a reason to do a second coat of this spray. Just grab a microfiber towel, give it a good rinse, and finish up this wheel. If you want, like I said, you could always protect your wheels. You could always do any different types of coatings for the brake dust not to settle and penetrate on the wheel as bad as this. But like I said, this wheel has never been refurbished or anything, but it came off easy, and you guys saw how bad it was. So pretty impressed with the product. I'm a big guy on McGuire's, but I'm pretty impressed with how it works. Now let's look towards the Toyota. So here, you guys pay attention, it turned like a lime green. So I'm gonna let this penetrate a little bit more. Maybe I'll give it one more quick spray. And this wheel, we'll see if I need a second time, but like I said, I haven't washed these cars. Wifey's been to the beach canyons for hiking. Because of COVID-19, everything's closed, so we get our exercise by going to the beach and hiking trails and all of that, staying 6 feet and more away from other people. So I'm really happy with how the Jeep turned out. Now let's give this a few more seconds and then give this a rinse. I can tell that it's coming off, but it's kind of hard to tell because of the glossy black finish. When you have a glossy black finish and it's wet because there's water on it, it's hard to see if anything is left behind because of the, like, you know, the color. But I'm gonna wipe my finger across any part of the wheel and see what we have. So it looks pretty clear. Again, this looks clean, but we'll probably, because I'm gonna give both these cars a wash right now, probably what I'm gonna do is give the Toyota Camry, I'm gonna attack it probably with a brush and one more spray. Real quick overview. Again, 16 bucks for a small size. Look at that Jeep. Look at the Jeep wheel one more time. Jeep wheel came out really, really nice. You guys saw how bad it was. A lot of brake dust, but just like I said, I'm gonna wipe it down after I finish washing both these cars. Overall, to be honest with you guys, 16 bucks. It is a little bit on the expensive side compared to its competitor, you know, like different brands like McGuire's and all of that. But I think it's really worth it. It really does work magic. Now I understand the hype about the product. So if you guys are shopping around for a wheel cleaner, you won't be let down with this product. But again, it's on the pricey side. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.